Hey, what's up guys? So today I want to make a quick video on the GPS on the CarPlay. So once you connect your mobile device, your iPhone or your Android, right now I'm connected with Android, it goes right into the screen. It goes in like this basically, and you will click Android Auto. Once you click that, it will come up the map of the choice of the phone, the iOS map, or it will be an Android map. So far this is the Android map, so it looks just like this. It looks just like the one on your phone. You have your settings, you have your reroute, search. You go like this and you add a route to it. It's up to you how you want to do it. Also you have Google, so you can say instead of typing it. Now if you do not like the Google map, you can also use the Was map. So if you don't like this map right here, you'll click on the little menu and all your apps will come out. You can see all your apps, and that's your Was app. And there you go. It's just like the one on your phone. You can report things. You just report it. Everything is on here. You scroll down, you report issues, report whatever you want to report. Just got out. So this does everything that your regular app on your phone. It's awesome because it is a 8-inch screen, so it's a lot better. So far I've been using the Google one that's maps right here, and this one is awesome. Awesome. Well, this is one of the best car radio I have so far, and I just wanted to share just a little bit to show you what the map looked like. It's amazing. Recommend it. It's amazing. If you can get it in your car, put it in, because all you got to do is plug your phone and you will have it. iPhone or Android. Awesome. Well, if you have any question whatsoever, comment below, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.